Hello guys, today we are gonna talk about AIB registration tutorial, that is All India Bar Examination 2020 tutorial. So let's start our video. First, you need to visit the AIB website. The website will look like this. So you have to click on the register. After clicking on the register, you have to enter your mobile number and email ID. Both will receive an OTP. You have to verify the same. After verifying the same, you have to enter your name. Your name should be in proper format as per your eligibility degree. You have to create a password, confirm the password and click on register. After that, you will receive a message and mail on your email ID and mobile number provided earlier, in which your login ID and your password is contained. After that, we'll need to visit the home page again. Here, instead of registering, now we have to log in. The login screen will look like this. You have to enter your login ID and password, enter the captcha and click on login. After successful login, this screen will appear. Your exam name, that is AIB examination, is mentioned here. You have to click apply button next to it. For this part of the video, for next screen, we don't have a screenshot, but we have another screenshot which is similar to this. We will have to enter the details similar in this form. In the screen, it will ask for name of the applicant, gender, father's name, mother's name, date of birth. Based on date of birth, it will calculate your age as on 7th August 2025. Then the category, please select your category very carefully because the fees will depend upon this. There are 4 categories: SC, ST and OBC and general. Nationality, then email ID, mobile number previously mentioned will appear here. Then you have to enter your alternate mobile number. Then type of government ID proof, I have given Aadhaar card, so Aadhaar card number. Then candidate type, fresh or repeater. I'm a fresh candidate, hence I have selected fresh. Then person with different abilities, then candidate without enrollment certificate or in final semester, they have to select yes. And if you are registered with bar council, you have to select no. Then you have to mention the name of the bar council. In my case, I have registered for bar council of Maharashtra Goa, hence I have selected bar council of Maharashtra and Goa. Then enrollment year and enrollment number. After that, you have to upload your photo in proper dress code, that is black coat, white shirt, advocate's band. Don't upload any selfies or photos in other attires. Then you have to upload your signature. Here the signature size will be up to 50 KB, so you'll need to compress them. I have used this tool, Pi7 image tool, to compress the photo and signature to 50 KB. You have to just upload the photo here and download it after compression. After that, you have to click submit and the next screen will appear. The next screen is for address details. You have to mention your permanent address, and if your permanent address is same as present address, then you have to click on same as permanent address. Then you have to click next. Every time save the details and click on next. The next screen is for education qualification. Here you have to mention your secondary examination, that is class 10th details, such as name of the school, name of the board like Maharashtra State Board, then major subject, then the result type such as CGPA, grade or percentage, and then passing year. Same applies to higher secondary examination, that is class 12th. Below that, we have to mention our LLB qualification, whether for 3 years or 5 years. Then name of the institute or college, name of the university like University of Mumbai. Then result status, whether awaited, passed, appeared. Then result type, similar, CGPA, grade, percentage, division, first division, second division, and passing year. Below that, we have to mention our higher studies qualification, that is UG and PG. So if you have a degree like BA, BCom, BSc, you have to mention here. And if you have master's degree such as LLM, you have to mention the same. After that, you have to submit the education qualification and click on next step. The next step is of examination details. The exam details contains exam name, that is AIB, then Choice of exam question paper language. I have selected English here. Then city preferences. You have to give three city preferences. The cities should be near to you. These are the cities where the AIB exam should be conducted. So choose these cities carefully. I am living near Mumbai rather than Pune. Hence, I have selected Mumbai as my first preference. Then second preference is Pune. And third is Nanded. Save the exam details and click on next step. This is the most important part, that is mandatory document uploads. These uploads will vary upon the information you have uploaded previously. So here you have to upload the documents. Please understand that only JPEG, JPG and PDF files are allowed to upload. I will suggest that you should use PDF files. Also, there is a size limit, that is, file should not be greater than 1 MB. So here is a trick. Here on the site it is mentioned that file should not be greater than 1 MB. But when I tried to upload 1 MB files, it gave me error, and the error was file should not be greater than 200 KB. So though it is mentioned on the website that the file size limit is 1 MB, the actual file size limit is 200 KB. So you need to upload all the documents in 200 KB. So how can you do that? Simple. Use the Pi7 PDF tool used earlier, but here instead of 50 KB you have to use 200 KB. The trick is search on Google compress PDF to 200 KB. The same link will appear. Select the PDF, compress it and download it. Here I have done the same for my enrollment certificate and the file is uploaded successfully. Next, I have uploaded the same for all the documents and they are also uploaded successfully. Here another important thing is category certificate for ST and SC. So category certificate is required for ST and SC only, but if you have selected OBC, you also have to upload the category certificate. It becomes mandatory. So here I have uploaded my OBC certificate, OBC caste certificate and caste validity certificate. After that, I have submitted the same. The next screen is for confirming payment. So before confirming payment and before clicking on proceed to payment, please check your applicant name, amount to pay, application number, applied by details and service name. So now let's talk about the fee structure. On the All India Bar Examination website, you can check for payment of fees option. On the payment of fees option, you will see this screen which mention that if you are a general and OBC candidate, the fee for registration is 3,500, and if you are SC ST PWD candidate, your fee for registration is 2,500. I have selected OBC, hence my fee is 3,500. Next, you have to make payment for the same. After payment, the account will logged out. You have to log in again, and after login, you will see this screen. Here, transaction details are mentioned. Your application ID, your name, your exam name, your status of fees, amount, and your status should be paid. After that, you will see this declaration. This declaration contains all the information you have filed earlier. You have to click on declaration and submit application. After that, you can download the PDF file of the same. Please confirm at the end of the PDF file a payment summary which mention your application ID, transaction ID, amount and status. Thank you for watching the video till the end.